Welcome back to the channel Mr. Wheel Wonders. Today we're diving into something truly special for all the luxury automobile lovers out there. If you've been following the channel, you already know we're passionate about showcasing vehicles that combine power, presence, and pure comfort, and this one is no exception. Imagine a ride that doesn't just get you from point A to point B, but transforms the journey into an experience, smooth, quiet, and wrapped in style from every angle. That's exactly what this custom GMC luxury van brings to the table. From the front, this van commands attention instantly. The massive chrome GMC grille stands proud, catching the light in just the right way, and those LED headlights give it a sharp, modern look that hints at the quality inside. You can feel the designer's intention: bold, confident, and built to impress. The gloss black finish reflects everything around it, almost like a mirror, and as you walk closer you can appreciate the precision of the paintwork. What really elevates the presence of this van, though, is how clean and purposeful the lines are. Nothing feels unnecessary, everything has a purpose, and the result is a sleek but commanding front profile. Move to the side and the story only gets better. The elongated body, the smooth aerodynamic silhouette, and those large tinted windows make it clear this vehicle was designed for privacy and comfort on the move. Sitting on chrome multi-spoke wheels, the van doesn't just look luxurious, it looks planted, confident, and ready for the road. The low-profile tires add a sporty touch without taking away from the elegance. There's a perfect balance between functionality and style here. The chrome mirrors, door handles, and subtle accents make the exterior feel polished and premium without being too flashy. Now let's take a walk to the back, because the rear view is just as impressive. You get those crisp LED tail lights that stand out beautifully, especially at night. The wide, tinted rear glass gives the entire back end a bold, continuous flow, while the clean bumper design ties everything together. There are no unnecessary cuts or distractions, just a smooth, modern rear aesthetic that complements the rest of the van perfectly. From this angle, you can really appreciate the stance: wide, stable, and ready to take on long-distance cruising or city driving with equal ease. But of course, the magic of a luxury van is not just how it looks from the outside. It's the interior that truly sets this vehicle apart, and stepping inside feels like entering a private lounge on wheels. As soon as the door opens, you're welcomed by soft, ambient LED lighting that creates a warm, relaxing vibe. The premium leather seats, with diamond-stitched patterns, are not only comfortable but visually impressive. These aren't just seats. You get full reclining captain chairs designed for long trips, short trips, or even moments when you just want to take a break and enjoy the space. The interior materials are all top-tier. Leather, polished wood accents, and high-quality trim pieces come together to form a space that feels more like a luxury hotel suite than a vehicle. The entertainment system is equally impressive, with large display screens, premium sound, and integrated controls that keep everything at your fingertips. Whether you're watching a movie, working on the go, or simply relaxing during a long drive, this setup makes the journey enjoyable in every way. One of the best things about this custom luxury interior is how well everything is spaced. There's breathing room, there's legroom, there's proper visibility. You're not cramped or overwhelmed with buttons or clutter. It's clean, elegant, and clearly designed with comfort as a priority. Tinted windows ensure privacy, while also helping the interior lighting stand out even more, especially during evening drives. This is the kind of vehicle that transforms road trips. Whether you're traveling with family, going on a work tour, or just enjoying the freedom of the open road, a luxury van like this turns travel into something meaningful. It's not just transportation, it's an experience. The comfort, the silence inside the cabin, the smooth drive, the design details, everything adds up to create a space you actually enjoy spending time in. So if you're someone who values style, comfort, and presence, this GMC luxury van checks every box. Stick around the channel because we'll be exploring more angles, more custom features, and more luxury rides just like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more from Mr. Wheel Wonders.